Okay, Sandy B in Canada. This is your less enhanced Magnum 1. I'll show you the FQP 13N10s are now installed. Also got the dual filters installed. Got the ground strap hooked to the ground can around the IF section, not IF section, the transmit section. And got both of the filters connected together and then connected to that ground. Okay, got the frequency option 3 is done. And you can see the hot glue that I put on the jumpers that Magnum engineers install. And around here on the modifications that they do, where they added that diode and capacitor, added hot glue around that to keep those from moving and breaking. I'm not real sure why they don't do that. Okay, but I've upgraded your capacitors. They were 1000s, they're now 3300s for the DC input and the voltage regulator. Okay, also put the hot glue on the back of the power connector. Magnum has started doing that, but they're not putting very much. They're just putting it right on the back where the 3 leads come through, and that doesn't really help. You got to have it where it grabs the connector and also grabs these things, so that if one pin tries to push through, it doesn't pull all 3 through. Okay, now let's do a quick check. Both meters have 100-watt slugs in them. That one and that one. Okay, meter on the right is peak, meter on the left is RMS, and I believe I'm on lower sideband. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. That's almost 90 watts peak, and audio, that's about 56 watts RMS on sideband. Let's go to AM. AM, we're dead key. Oh, I'm sorry, that's FM. We're dead key about 30 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. That's about 82 watts on AM. Okay. All right. I think I've showed you just about everything. Well, I can't think of anything else right now, but it's been tuned. As you can see, the receiver's also been tuned. I'm not going to turn the hook up the external speaker, but there's the S9 signal on AM. There's S9 on sideband. Okay, you're looking at this upside down, but that's sideband, that's AM. Okay, all right, I think we're done. You'll be getting an adapter like this that will connect your Magnum 6-pin connector to a regular 4-pin microphone. Right now I've got my little transmit switch plugged in there. Okay. Let's see. Do you want me to? Well, never mind. Okay. That ought to about do it. Let me put the covers on it. More to come. Okay, one thing I forgot to show you. With the RF power turned all the way down on AM, your dead key is 5 watts. Each one of those little marks there is 2 watts, so that's 5 watts dead key. And your swing is audio, about 70 watts. Okay, audio. And with RF power turned all the way up, dead key is about 20 watts. Audio. audio, and swings to about 80. Okay? So you want to run an amp behind it on AM, just turn your RF power all the way down to just as far down as it'll go, and you're dead key in 5 watts and swinging way up there, so you won't burn up an amplifier. Audio, hello, audio 1, 2. You can see sideband's not affected by the RF power control. Okay, sideband is affected by the mic gain. So if you want to run less power on sideband, you just turn the mic gain down, and that's controlled by this knob. You select, I think it's function. Oh no, not on this one. You just hit that button there, and you see where your microphone is set. Right now it's set to 63. So if you wanted to turn it down from there, you just turn the knob, okay? Turn the channel knob. That's off, like if you want to do dead key testing. And that's the maximum right there, okay? When you get through, just hit the mic button again, and that's mic button's over here. Just hit that again, and it takes you back to your frequency and channel. Okay? All right, let me get the covers on. One other thing I wanted to show you before I put the covers back on there. See these soldered runs here, all around here? Well, when the radio comes, there's no extra solder on top of it. So what I do is pile solder on top of the runs there. They do solder it, okay, but it's just a thin layer of solder, kind of like what this is back here. So there is no solder built up on the edge of it. What I do, I build the solder up on that run because that's your power run. That's what carries the current to the FQP 13N10s. All right, and that just helps. Okay, just thought I'd show that to you. Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Sandy B in Alberta, Canada. This is your Lescom Enhanced Magnum 1. Got the covers all put back on it. I've got your adapter connected up here. And I'm using just a standard little 4-pin Euro CB microphone. A lot of you have asked about these adapters. I managed to find some. They are $15 a piece, but right now I'm out of stock. These only work with the Magnums, just the old 257s, any of the 6-pin Magnums. Okay, sorry about that. These work with the old 6-pin Magnums. They convert the 6-pin Magnum down to a standard 4-pin mic connector, so you can use any of your microphones on it. Okay. We also do the swap, where I swap out that connector to a 4-pin. A lot of you have opted for that. And all that does is just do away with the buttons on the microphone, so you can't change channels from the microphone, but 99% of you don't do that anyway. Let's take a look. Audio, hello, audio. That's on AM. Switch to sideband. I'm on dummy load, folks, so don't worry about it. About me bothering other people. Audio, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio. You can see the radio does do better with the power mic. So if you want to purchase a power mic, I've got the Superstar Tornadoes and the Magnum 2018s. You can check our website and see those. This is just a regular trucker series radio, microphone I've got wired for this specific radio. Audio, hello, audio 1, 2. It drives it. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio test. So you're good to go with a power mic. Okay, but the stock mic will do really well as also. All right. Okay, Sandy. Sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7 threes, everybody.